In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new profile in Brave browser. If you share your computer with other people or simply want to separate your personal browsing from work, school, or other activities, creating multiple profiles in Brave browser is a very useful feature. Each profile keeps its own bookmarks, browsing history, saved passwords, extensions, and settings completely separate from the others. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create a new profile in Brave browser and switch between profiles whenever you need to. To get started, open Brave browser on your computer and wait for the main browser window to fully load. Once the browser is open, move your cursor to the upper right corner of the screen. Near that area, you'll find the Profile menu, which gives you access to all existing browser profiles as well as profile management options. Click on the Profile menu to open it. If you already have multiple profiles created, you'll see them listed there. You may also notice an option called Open Guest Profile. A guest profile is useful for temporary browsing sessions because it doesn't permanently save browsing information after the session ends. However, if you want to create a completely separate browsing environment with its own settings and saved information, click on Add New Profile. Brave will immediately open the Profile Creation Setup window. The first thing you'll be able to customize is the profile icon. Brave provides several built-in profile pictures that you can choose from. While Brave does not currently allow custom profile images in this section, you can still select from the available icons to help identify each profile more easily. After selecting your preferred profile icon, click Done to continue. Next, you'll be asked to enter a name for the profile. You can use any label that helps you stay organized, such as work, personal, school, private, or any custom name you prefer. Once you've entered the profile name, you'll also have the option to choose a theme color for that profile. Selecting a different color can make it easier to quickly recognize which profile you're currently using. You can either choose one of the available color options or keep the default appearance if you prefer. After everything looks the way you want, click Done once again. Brave will then create the new profile automatically and open it in a separate browser window. From now on, whenever you want to switch between profiles, simply click the Profile menu again and select the profile you want to open. Each profile works independently, meaning your websites, bookmarks, and browsing sessions stay separated and organized. And that's it! You've successfully created a new profile in Brave browser. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.